I have grown to understand in myself that mediocre is unacceptable, and being relentless in the pursuit of my objectives are the initial targets. I have assisted many individuals creating companies and projects, but truly none to call my own. Now, it's time for Epic Star Media Group to enter the building.
Myself. My name is DéLeon, CoppaDon.
You're not respected at the bottom and you're ignored in the middle. And you're hated at the top, so stop expecting approval or seeking it. If you live by the cheers, you will die by the boos. You are the architect of your life, so design it.